It's all kicking off on YouTube. Keep calm, take cover, don't panic. And here's what we're going to do about it. Hey guys, right, don't panic. All over YouTube at the moment, there's all kinds of channels uploading videos saying, oh, the YouTube are destroying smaller channels and they're killing us. And chill. Go in your garden and relax. What's happening is YouTube have changed the requirements for your channel to be monetized. You now need 1,000 subscribers and a minimum of 4,000 hours of view time a year before they'll monetize your channel and you start getting any revenue. You start getting any money from it. Now, unless you're absolutely massive, Sean James Cameron, unless you're a really big gardening channel, any money you do get, you might get 1 or 2 payouts a year, and it's nice little bit of pocket money. Okay, that's all it is. I don't think any of our gardening community is, well, with the exception of a few, but the huge majority of us, we're not going to become bankrupt. We don't do this as an income, as a way of paying our mortgage. It's nice, like I say, a couple of times a year. Once you get over that payout threshold, you get a little check for 60 odd quid, or not a check, sorry, old fashioned what. You'll get 60 odd quid paid into your bank account, right? And for those gardeners, that will buy a few bits and bobs for the garden. Or if you look at it another way, if you added up your money that you get a year from YouTube revenue, it'll certainly pay for all your seeds, unless you live on a farm. Then you're not going to be bothered about YouTube revenue anyway. You just sell your farm and go and live in Spain in a mansion. All that land, it's got to be worth millions. But you get my drift, don't you? So, what can we do about it? What can I do about it? What can you do about it? Let's help those gardening channels that are under 1,000 subscribers. Let's tip them over that bar so that they'll then be able to be monetized. Because what YouTube's done is going, here's your money, you can have it, you can have that, you can have it. And every time you go for it, it's pulling it away, right? That's all it's doing. The money is still there. It's still possible to earn a little bit of pocket money from YouTube. So what we're going to do is some shout outs. Shout out. Yeah, I should have listened to Ruby. She said that wasn't a good idea. I says, Ruby, I need to think of doing something every time I say the word shout out. And I thought, like, he's shouting. Only ever really worked for that American lady sitting in a car. Right, shout outs. Stay. I'm going to show you and name some channels. Go and follow them. Go and check them out. And not just follow them, go and watch the videos too. Alright? Because you got to get that 4,000 hours of viewing a year as well. So it's not just about subscribers. Because we are a gardening community here on YouTube. And communities do things for other people. So if you can make their channel a little bit more popular by subscribing them and watching the odd video of theirs every now and again, what you're doing for them is you're helping them get that once or twice a year payout, that little bit of unexpected pocket money, right? That, like I said before, it will help them buy all the seed potatoes, buy the seed garlic, buy a load of seeds, buy the odd gardening tool from somewhere. So let's help each other out. Right, shout outs. In no particular order. Amanda's Allotment. A little dirt never hurt. Allotment Gardener. Babette is in the garden. She's a lovely lady, by the way. Go and follow her. Giant Veg. Grow with Kit. Mal and Kim's Allotment Diary. Now that's Mal and Kim, not Mel and Kim. Not that tay. Not that Mel and Kim. It's Mal and Kim. Ophelia's Allotment. A particular favourite of mine. She's a lovely lady. Purple Sweet Pea. Ross Minton. Steve's Seaside Allotment. Well, he's not going to mean Tamworth with a name like Seaside in his channel title, is he? He's near the sea. Trees, Woods and Forest Gardens. You Can't Eat the Grass. So remember, guys, it's a community. In communities, people help each other out. But that doesn't mean that if you are part of the community I'm in, here on YouTube, in the gardening channels, that it's fine for you to knock on my door with an empty cup and ask for some sugar, because you'll get one of them. And there's a Spar shop at the end of my street. Go to the bloody Spar and buy your own sugar. But we are a community. We help each other. We share. If we've got something, someone else hasn't, we give. So give a little bit of your time. Go and follow those channels. Go and subscribe. Go and watch some of the videos. And we'll all help each other out. Right. As ever, thank you so much for watching. And don't worry, I won't be doing that. Here we go. I won't be using that again. It was, I've got to be honest, right? That's more to embarrass my eldest daughter. When she can bother herself to watch this video, that's more to embarrass her. I'm getting whispers from Ruby. It's embarrassing me. It's embarrassing Ruby. So I'm really sorry, Ruby.
It's fine. It's a bit.
I'm so gonna get told off.
I have subscribed to all those people you have shouted out.
You're a good one. Have you done it on your mum's account thing though, on your mum's phone? So that basically you've subscribed your mum. Yeah. I love it. Ah, Claire, you've got cheating stuff. Ruby, go and press all the notification bells so her phone will constantly be kicking off. Come on. Right, okay. Guys, as ever, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you around. Take care. And I nearly forgot, speaking of small channels that need a bit of a leg up and a helping hand, go and check this fella out, bless him. He needs a leg up. He's called Sean, he's from Wales, but he lives in London. He's a lovely guy. I can't do it. He's not small at all. He's massive. And if you're not already following him, why the hell not?